I got my BoxyCharm today. I'm waiting on my son to hurry the hell up. He gives me smallest to the greatest. Let's do it, boy. I've been waiting forever. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, the wait. I can't take it. It's the big box. Hurry up, hurry up.
Jeans.
What's that?
We got good jeans.
Oh. Whoops. Is this what broke off?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll put that
It's your
back.
first thing and it broke. Oh no.
Okay, let's see. Good
Oh,
jeans. That's all I can read because I certainly cannot read. I can't read that.
Okay, that is $85.
All in one lactic
It's $85.
acid. How much is it?
$85.
For fuck's sakes, really?
Alright, so there's
Okay.
multitasking, totally acid treatment.
Let's bring it. Did you break my thing? How could you?
I didn't know it was upside down.
Was there a lid for it? Oh, thank you. This is exactly what I wanted. Right here. The cushion.
Alright. Next thing.
Bring it on, little one. Bring it on.
Temple rub.
What?
Temple rub.
Is this for stress?
Oh no.
Temple rub. It's coming, Brendan. Wow! Do you think it will calm me? I hope so.
$24.
How?
$24.
Moving on. Let's go. Next. Thanks for throwing that at me.
Alright.
I always wanted bubble wrap.
Look at this beautiful Luxie bag.
Luxie bag? I like Luxie bags. What's in a Luxie bag? Give me a hand. I only got one hand.
It's also $85.
How much?
$85.
Is there something inside this red thing? I can't get it open. Okay, there we go. There's something in it. I swear.
Let's open it.
Oh, look at those pretty little brushes. Oh, I can't play. I gotta play with them. I gotta play. Play. Okay.
Alright. Next thing is $9.99.
What?
$9.99.
Is this a sponge? Yes, it is a sponge. Move on. What's next? La.
Hold on.
Come on. I want this box to wow me. This is the premium. Give it to me.
Hold on.
Do I look like I can hold on?
Wait. Okay, there's the billion dollars. That is $15.
I wouldn't pay $15 for that. I would just go to like TJ Maxx
Now
and find their.
it's threesome.
What's a threesome?
I don't know.
I don't think you should know what a threesome is. Okay, let's see. All right, here we go. What is it? Come on, camera. Get in a hot
It's
mess
$40.
with
That's $40. It's $40.
Rockin'.
It's $40.
rockin'
It's $40.
black and blue green glitter gel. Oh, they're glitter.
And they're $40.
Ooh, let's look at it. I've always wanted this too. Is that included in
Okay, it's
the?
iconic wonder.
I haven't even got to see what these are. Hold on. It takes a while. Oh, what do these do? I need your arm. Bring your arm.
No.
I need your arm to play with. Now come here. Please take that off. Oh, it's wrapped.
It's okay. I can just.
Rip the wrap. That's how I do it, kiddo. All right. Gently. Okay, what part of that is glitter?
The middle part.
I don't see glitter.
It's right there.
Where?
Look, you can see in the sun. There's glitter on it.
Okay. Grab it off me!
Dang it! Does it come off? It might come off. I don't know. All right. Anyway.
Moving on. How much are these dang things?
Oh, so that was $40.
Oh wait, you got the thing over there. You got it out.
Oh yeah. We got a Tonic London palette brush.
The shimmers, the contour, the blush.
There's that shininess.
Give me the other side.
No.
Come on, Brendan. I would do it for you.
Do I get iPad?
You get television. What else do you want?
iPad?
No.
Oh, dang it.
Beautiful.
Okay, it's
We'll see how that works out.
Anyways, that is $55.
I wouldn't pay for
Next thing we have Beauty Teeth Whitening Kit.
a what? What is this? Teeth whitening. Oh yeah. How long will this work for?
That's $89.
Really?
Yeah.
Is this the one treatment and your whole teeth are white or what? What? We'll see. For $89, it better be spectacular. Moving on. Let's go. La 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 la. Come on.
Hold on.
Come on. Ah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know what that is. That's cat stuff. There's 7. Is there 2 more items? There needs to be 2 more items. Is there 2 or 1? What is it?
There's one more item and it's beautiful.
Oh.
There's that.
Beautiful, you say.
We got Hip Dot colors.
Oh my God, those are beautiful. Wait, hold on. Don't take it off. What is it from? Who's it from?
It's Hip Dot.
Oh, Hip Dot.
And it's $30.
30.
You heard the thing.
For $30, it better be spectacular because I could totally get a $30 palette with much more shadows on more feet.
Sexy. Look at this.
Show me the sexiness. I can't tell. Where'd the glitter go?
I already did it.
Give me.
Glitter. Look at this glitter.
I could barely see it. Well, what about this one? What about this one? Let's try this one. Where's your arm? I need your arm. Brendan, your dad has already walked to his office. Come on, come on, come on. Ooh, that's one I can see. All right, so this is how much?
$30.
Okay, and that was it?
No, wait. But yeah, that was $30. All right, well, I'm gonna watch TV now.
No, you don't. You got chores to do first.
Dang it, you always
No.
You always confuse me.
Brendan, it's not confusing. Chores first, other stuff later. Okay. I need my glasses because I can't read. Wow. Okay, so let's look at this.
Voice confuse me.
Oh, okay. 55 and 85, 135, 40, 170.
You spent more than $100.
245. 240, 55, 54, 254,
Holy crap.
59,
Can I get a chicken?
69.
I need a big chungus.
310.
Oh my God.
$334.
Yeah.
This better be spectacular because my cat's litter box has better crap in it. Thank you. Good night.